What you're looking at is a turbocharger from a N20 BMW engine. So this would be like the N20, N26, found in like the X1s, the Z4 E89s, uh, 328i's, 428i's. But this is how it looks when you actually get it cut. This is the manifold side. I think it's really cool. I mean, I was kind of really wanting to see exactly what the deal was. It did, I didn't really have an idea if they were gonna be perfectly round or like holes through it. So I'm glad they are because I can definitely get pipe welded on it real easy.